Hi students, today we are going to learn new poem Run. In this poem, we will understand the importance of running and how to lead a simple, healthy and happy life. Children, by doing daily exercises like running, jogging, skipping, helps us to keep our body fit. I know now because of this pandemic of COVID-19, you all are staying indoors and cannot do running activities, right? But today we will see what does the poetess Mary Daunt tells us to do. Do you know the answer? Yes, she is telling us to run. This is a very small poem about a life in the village, which is simple, healthy, caring. Now, look at these two pictures. In these two pictures, we can see village, and the other half of the picture we can see city. Let's see the first half of the picture, that is village. In the village, we can live healthy life free from pollution. We can observe the beauty of nature and beautiful surroundings. Now, in the city, we can see that city life is becoming miserable. It is full of population, pollution, and people live here unhealthy life. In this poem, the poetess invites us to live a healthy life in the countryside. Let's read, revise and enjoy this poem. Run away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. In this first stanza, the poetess is advising us to run away from the city life. He wants us to run towards the countryside. Countryside means village side. Second stanza, run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. In this stanza, poetess says we should run into the sun and in rain. We should run under the trees and we should run race with each little breeze. Breeze means gentle wind. Third stanza, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. In this stanza, poetess says that we should run down the hillside and run through the meadows. Meadows means a piece of grassland. Fourth stanza, run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. In this last stanza, poetess says that we should run and be happy in our life. We should run to the country, away from the city. So my dear students, in this poem we have learned to live a healthy life away from the city. Now let's learn the meanings of the difficult words. Breeze, a gentle wind. Hillside, the sloping side of the hill. Meadow, a piece of grassland. Merry, cheerful and lively, showing enjoyment. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.